Okay, welcome back, folks. Today we will be doing one of my favorite experiments, never before caught on film by me. We're going to show the reaction of liquid bromine. You can see this is about 50% dilute bromine. It looks lighter than it really is. On the video, it makes it look lighter than it really is, but this is about 50% liquid bromine to water, just because of the way I made it. I produced this bromine by electrolysis, and I have some more of it that is slightly more concentrated, about 70%. And they'll be reacting in this small 50 milliliter beaker. We're going to see the reaction with some magnesium metal today, which is just a little bit of a change from the aluminum and bromine you see all over YouTube. And finally we get to see some sodium and bromine. Very small amounts of sodium. And for those of you who saw the fiery reaction of sodium and water, this is even more energetic with bromine. Or, sodium and hydrochloric acid is energetic. Sodium and bromine, much more so. But we cannot perform these operations in the house. Far too dangerous. Bromine is a very dangerous material, and thus we must go to a much more ventilated area. And I will put on my respirator, goggles, and gloves, and I will have a voiceover doing narration for you, because you can't really hear me when I'm wearing the respirator. So stay tuned, and here next up is bromine reactions in the workshop. Okay, everyone, this is going to be the reaction of liquid bromine with magnesium metal. We're in the well-ventilated workshop now. I have my gloves on and respirator, which is the reason for the voiceover. I'm all geared up in the respirator. Okay. So we're going to open the liquid bromine container. I'm sure you'll see some fumes. I can see them. I don't know if you can. So we have this Teflon, which is protecting the plastic cap from reacting with the bromine. This is fully fluorinated Teflon. Now we're going to take the pipette. And add a generous amount of bromine to this beaker. You can already see the fumes from the liquid bromine. So there we have you see that? I sprayed some air into the liquid bromine, and immediately fumes came out. I'm very lucky that I cannot smell those fumes, because they're very nasty indeed. Now it's time for our first reaction. Magnesium and bromine. I'll take this very nice piece of magnesium here and drop it into the bromine. Here we go.
So I realized that I probably should have the fan on. The other fan, I have a second fan. I turned the second fan on and that was blew the vapors away at the very end there. So that was a beautiful reaction of liquid bromine with magnesium metal. Next up is a reaction with sodium. Alright, this is a much more violent reaction in sodium metal and liquid bromine. Here is our sample of sodium, and into the beaker it goes. So that was a very small piece of sodium that produced a very nice reaction. The vessel is very warm, and now we're going to do one last piece of sodium into the beaker. You see some condensation, some sparks, beautiful reaction. It really is. Now the sodium is all used up, from this reaction anyway. So now, we're going to see if we can use up a little bit more of the bromine using magnesium. So thank you for watching. This has been a reaction of liquid bromine and magnesium, and as well as liquid bromine and sodium. Thank you for watching.